Hey everyone, Jordan Meyer, Wholesome Family Farms. We got pounded with snow on April 3rd. Not fun. Well, we'll start by digging this thing out of the shed. Got to get the tractor and the baling roller. We probably got like 5-6 inches of snow, and it's the heavy wet stuff. Not very fun. Well, we're off. Got the first bale scooped up and headed out to the field to do some unrolling. Got April and Layla in the cab with us. Quite the winter wonderland for April 3rd. Man, this ain't very fun. Oh, there's Rochelle headed out to the sheep. Sorry about that window. One of the dogs are wet too. There's the mob of sheep up on the hill over there behind our windbreak. Yeah, there's easily 6 inches of snow out here, easily. Then when you get the drifts, then it's a few feet deep. There's Skipper and Ella and Cotton all wagging their tails, having a jolly old time. They don't mind the snow at all. There comes the sheep. Man, this is just yuck. Now I gotta figure out how to get in there. Net goes up the hill there too, so. Wow, look at that. We actually had a handful of ewes and lambs that were using the sheds up there. We gave them access, and yeah, we were hoping that a lot more of them would figure it out, and I don't know, there must be a couple hundred that were in there or something, but there's Rusty waiting to do his job. They look all right. Just gotta keep feeding them. Keep giving them a dry place to lay down and stuff. And the lambs, a lot of them are already really big too, so they can handle it when they're that big. This works. Talk about sopping wet though. Beavers, cats. They're doing all right though. There's the flock of lambs. And we're unrolling, and I don't know if we're going the right direction. I bet you it's backwards. But at least we're giving them something to chew on. Yeah, a lot of friends call this the banana belt. Yesterday I was talking to Buddy Clifford up there, and he says that there were 43 degrees and kind of sunny out or whatever. He's like, are you enjoying the weather down there? Not even close. It was just nasty snow all day yesterday, and this morning it was, I don't know if the weather was snowing. It's probably a little bit of both. It's snowing and blowing, but yeah, in the yard there at home on the dairy, we probably have some drifts that are 5 feet deep. Natalie, she was out digging holes and making forts in them and everything else. Welcome to winter, I guess. Sure wish we would have been having that other weather now, but take her as she comes. Keep on having fun. Yeah, that's good. April, you having fun? Having fun? Oh, it's a little bumpy, isn't it? Third bale. Coming at him. Overall, ain't too bad. Good Lord watches over us. Yeah, Rochelle, she said she wants me to feed a little bit higher on the hill here. Probably feed right below the sheep right there, this next one. It's getting so wet and overused there. We've been using it a lot for a windbreak, and it's pretty well spent. We might have to go find a new spot soon if we're gonna keep on getting wind and nasty weather, that's for sure. We're skiing. Gotta use brakes to steer. Well, we left the sheep farm. Now we're heading over to feed the goats. Sheep went pretty good. A little hairy. We just went past the spot. There was like a whole mile stretch where it was 5 inches of snow on the road drifting. Crazy. Yep, worst snowstorm of the year, and it's April 3rd. Go figure. pretty well drifted shut through here. Yeah, it'd be nice to have a tractor when you got this heavy. It's up to my hip. Can't even hardly see. Goats are down by the woods. Here come Mia and Sasha. They're trudging through the snow. Bale's coming for you guys. That's gonna be rolled right on top of this big drift. Goats are sinking up to their bellies. They can't even walk. How's it going, guys? Come on out of here. I know you guys don't have snowshoes. You should have stayed where you were. The bale would have came down to you. Come on out of here. Yeah. Come on out, guys. Just roll right on top of the snow. Push. Up. Hang on. We got weather here. Come on out of there. Push. There we go. Boy, that black goat there, she's getting a bag already. Then we got Andrea right here. You can tell she's got a nice kid in her.
There's that baby right there that was born December.
Yeah, that was the December baby right there. Doing pretty good. Getting sopping wet. They're all coming out of the woodwork. Yeah, puppies! Yeah, puppies! Yeah, puppies! Puppies are living in the woods. Jeepers, they're sopping wet too, but they're doing just fine. Aren't you guys? Hardy, hardy animals. They make her through all the all the elements. Yep. That's for sure. Living right with the goats. That's the way it should be. Look like they're doing good though. Got a good mama, don't they? Yeah. Hey, stay down. Well, we forgot to do a closing one at feeding the goats there, but weather's nasty out. Kind of forget about that stuff and you just take care of yourself at this point. Kind of amazing there's no snow on the road right here. We had to go through a few good drifts on the road at the top of the hill, but yep, we're heading home and we're gonna probably go eat some breakfast now at 11:30 in the morning and sit and relax in a nice warm cozy house for a little bit. Yeah, the goats seem to be doing good, so can't complain there. Hopefully everybody else is staying dry and warm on this April day. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on the way out, and thanks for watching, and everyone have a good day.